Hey everybody, welcome to the SMA Journey 51 blog. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about Scholar Rock and their potential treatment known as Apitegromab, also known as SRK-015. I've spoken about this subject numerous times in videos, and I'm excited about this because if Scholar Rock can get Apitegromab approved by the FDA, this is going to be used in conjunction with Spinraza, which will be the first, I guess they call it a combination therapy, but it's also going to be the first muscle-targeted therapy, which is really going to benefit those of us with SMA. You know, as we know, Spinraza and Evrysdi either slow the progression or stop the progression, but they don't do anything with regards to building muscle mass and muscle strength. So hopefully Apitegromab, by getting it approved by the FDA, we're going to be able to target muscle strength and muscle growth, which would be exciting for all of us. So the company that I work for, BioNews, is the parent company for SMA News Today. And SMA News Today put together a great article a couple of days ago regarding Scholar Rock, and they are going to go into a phase 3 trial for non-ambulatory type 2 and type 3 SMA patients. So what I did was I linked the article down in the description, so make sure that after you watch this video, go down and click on the link, read the entire article for yourself, and also share it with your family and friends, but also share it with your doctors, okay? So let's get into the article, and I'm just going to touch on the highlights. At the very beginning it says, Scholar Rock plans to soon initiate a phase 3 clinical trial of Apitegromab, its investigational muscle-directed treatment for spinal muscular atrophy in type 2 and 3 patients who are unable to walk. Quote, we anticipate initiating a phase 3 trial to evaluate Apitegromab in patients with non-ambulatory type 2 and type 3 SMA by the end of 2021 as we work towards our aim of establishing Apitegromab as a potential first muscle-directed therapy to treat SMA. End quote. This was said by Young Chen, a doctor at Scholar Rock, and he's also the chief medical officer. It goes on to state, the new study will build on positive top-line results from the phase 2 Topaz clinical trial that evaluated Apitegromab in children and young adults with SMA type 2 and type 3, both of which are latter onset forms of the disease. Now, if you go down a little bit further into the article, it states the following. The Topaz trial, sponsored by Scholar Rock, enrolled 58 patients at locations in the U.S. and Europe. Participants were treated with one of 2 doses of Apitegromab, either a low dose 2 mg per kilogram or a high dose 20 mg per kilogram, given by infusion into the bloodstream every 4 weeks for up to 1 year. Most, 83%, got the higher dose, and most, 81%, were also being treated with Spinraza, the first therapy approved for SMA. So all of this information is extremely exciting to me, and I hope it's exciting to you as well, because I've done numerous videos regarding Scholar Rock and Apitegromab, and I've told you that if and when the FDA approves Apitegromab for those of us with SMA, it's going to be a game changer for all of us. Just think, this will be a combination therapy of Spinraza and Apitegromab. So Spinraza is going to help either slow the progression or stop the progression, and then Apitegromab will allow us to target muscle, which will be the very first time that we've had the ability to do this. Apitegromab works by eliminating some of the myostatin in our body, and myostatin is a growth inhibitor that's keeping us from getting stronger. So I've said for a long time that we have a lot to look forward to, and I really mean what I say, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some information out of it that you can use as well. Remember, I'll link the article down in the description of the video, so make sure that you click on the link and read it for yourself, and also share it with your family and friends. But also, make sure that you share this article with your doctor as well, because the more information that they know, the better off they're going to be in trying to help you. Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I would greatly appreciate it. Remember, when you do subscribe, click on the bell icon for me. That way you'll be notified of any new videos that I produce. Hey, I hope all of you have had a fantastic week. Do me a favor this upcoming week, do something for yourself that's going to make you a better person. God bless you, and I'll talk to you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.